This is Wales. Bangor, Newport, Carmarthen, Rill, Bilfwells, Northbeth, Aberdare, Porthmadog, Cogan, Bregent, Aberavon, Wrexham, Merthyr, Meath. This is Wales. This is Wales. This is Wales. Cardigan, Ritson, Caernarfon, Anisgairwin, Caerphilly, Anismore, Abervale, Abergavenny, Aberdaron, Haverford West, Ballinog, Capel-Ewan, Usk, Mavod, Cardiff.
Nice one.
This is Wales. This is Wales.
Barney home.
Hello, Chris York, and we're starting guys Sunday night. Say two quick words. First of all, the Bills fans to it. Yes, company title deals. We've organised what is a historical event. It's the first ever festival for Welsh independence in Cardiff capital city. And it's not the last one. It's the first festival. We are going to be an independent nation someday.